Introducing the 2021 Volvo XC40 T5 PHEV Inscription Pro 5 Door AU in sophisticated grey. This hybrid electric beauty packs a punch with a 1.5-litre engine and automatic transmission, perfect for city driving or long road trips. Loaded with comfort features like air conditioning, Bluetooth and satellite navigation, you'll always ride in luxury. Stay safe with ABS, parking assistance, and collision avoidance technology. Not to mention, the sleek chrome accents and roof rails give this vehicle a stylish edge, with a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specs, and comprehensive warranty you can drive with peace of mind. Visit spiritmotorgroup.ie or call us today to schedule a test drive and experience this exceptional Volvo for yourself.